Everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, we're down here at the dock of the bay. Actually, someone's backing a boat in right now. We're here at Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located at 1295 North Stingaree Road here in Crystal Beach, Texas, a travel destination for homeowners, property owners, day trippers, and you. If you're looking for a great seafood dinner, fresh hand-cut steak, maybe some Texas barbecue from down under or a smash burger from down under, ready to listen to some live music, head on down to Stingaree Restaurant and Marina here in Crystal Beach, Texas. You know, Stingaree's known for the sunsets, Frosty Muggaritas, and fresh seafood, but they're also known for live music. And I tell you what, this weekend's no different. In fact, Friday night, these are concerts that are free and family friendly. They have Matt Sebastian here Friday night, and one of our all-time favorites from Galveston, the lineup is Saturday night. So if you're looking for something to do this weekend, get out, maybe feel your toes in the sand, the coastal breeze in your hair, head on over to the Bayside to Stingaree Restaurant and Marina at 1295 North Stingaree Road. You know, Stingaree's been around for generations, and a lot of families come down here on vacation, and it's their time to enjoy some fresh seafood, a beautiful sunset, maybe sit on the deck with a Frosty Muggarita. But one thing's for sure, they have a great time here and they enjoy some great seafood. So come on down to Stingaree. We're always here. In fact, we're gonna make a trip by here Friday night to see Matt Sebastian, the band. We hadn't seen them, and shoot some clips, listen to them a little bit. And I love sitting outside, looking at that free sunset. For me, it's an iced tea, but I'm sure for you, they can have an ice cold long neck or a Frosty Muggarita, maybe a tonic and water. You can get it here at Stingaree. Remember, Down Under is open now from Wednesday on in the evenings. Saturday, they're open all day, and Sunday, they're open till about 3 o'clock, and you can get favorites like Texas barbecue. In fact, it's smoked in-house. Brisket, sausage, turkey, you name it, you can get it here. They also have some great smash burgers. You can get your all-time favorite crab nachos, or you can find the surf and turf, which has shrimp and brisket on it. And I tell you what, as you can see from the photo, it's a pile of good food. So anyway, remember, Stingaree Restaurant opens Wednesdays at 11 a.m. and they're open through Sunday. So come on down, bring your family, bring your friends, enjoy some great live music this weekend with Matt Sebastian on Friday night and the lineup on Saturday night. Enjoy the free sunsets, the Frosty Muggaritas, but just get out, relax, vacation, and live the coastal life here in Crystal Beach, Texas. From myself, Brad, and the crew at Stingaree Restaurant, we invite you down to come explore Bolivar Peninsula. You'll love it. We're gonna head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope you enjoyed the view. There'll be some fishermen here later on this morning with their catch. And remember, if you catch it in the bay, you can bring it into Stingaree, you can clean it, and they'll cook it for you. Man, I love trout getting it pecan crusted. Or you can have it fried, but if you catch it, bring it on into Stingaree and let them cook it for you and enjoy some time here on the dock of the bay. We're gonna head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Remember, Friday night here, free live music, family friendly, Matt Sebastian. Saturday night here, free live music, the lineup. We're gonna be here both nights. Say hi to us, let us know where you're from. And remember, if we're on the beach, stop the Bolivar Live truck and ask us what's free today. We've always got something free to give away. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Find out more on Stingaree Restaurant at www.stingaree.com. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram for any instant updates. God bless, and bye-bye.
Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located overlooking an East Galveston Bay at 1295 North Stingaree Road in Crystal Beach, Texas. Known for their incredible views over East Galveston Bay, almost as much as their fabulous fresh seafood, including seafood platters fried or grilled, seared or grilled tuna, hand-cut steaks, and let's not forget their famous bread pudding. Stingaree Restaurant isn't just any restaurant, it's a travel destination with Frosty Muggaritas, fresh seafood, and free sunsets over East Galveston Bay. From fresh seafood to American favorites like Texas-sized chicken fried steak, grilled chicken, or hand-cut grilled ribeye or filet. Remember, from spring through fall, free live music can be heard every weekend at Down Under on the dock of the bay. For more information on Stingaree Restaurant, Marina, RV Park on the Water, or event live music calendar, visit www.stingaree.com.